Unlock the future of procurement by revolutionizing your supplier engagement with innovative e-tendering solutions. To start, let's explore how e-tendering revolutionizes procurement processes. E-tendering replaces paper-based methods with a digital approach. This digital transformation enables faster tender processes. E-tendering is designed to enhance efficiency over traditional methods. Building on this idea, e-tendering streamlines procurement. It minimizes paperwork, saving time with automation. Enhanced transparency can lead to more efficient processes. Global access boosts competition, giving everyone a fair chance. E-tendering fosters greater efficiency. The process includes steps such as publication, downloading documents, bid preparation, secure submission, evaluation, and awarding contracts. Ensuring bid security through digital signature certificates offers a reliable submission process. In addition, e-tendering boosts efficiency by reducing paper and mailing costs and ensuring quick project initiation. However, there are system challenges in e-tendering. Lack of technology can hinder participation. Security concerns necessitate safeguarding sensitive information. Managing user resistance is essential for effective adoption. E-tendering remains essential. It offers efficient, speedy, and transparent procurement, which is crucial for growth across sectors. Mastering platforms and regulations provides a competitive edge, boosting opportunities and streamlining operations. As we wrap up, remember that mastering e-tendering enhances both efficiency and competitiveness. Thank you for watching.